The definition of meditate is to think for a period of time or focus. The goal is to create a state of relaxation, but there's no wrong way to do it. I hate that because when I tried meditating, I'm like, just tell me what to do and I'll do it. And I'd keep coming to that roadblock. Well, there's no wrong way to do it. It's like, well, that doesn't help any. So I'll be like really like tactical, concrete. And then, of course, there's no wrong way to do it. Step one, get in a comfortable position. I'm sitting back, I have a chair, and my leg is up. That's my comfortable position. Step two, try not to try. Just breathe. Okay, well, what if my mind starts racing? That's part of the process. Just keep breathing. Where the guitar comes in, which is helpful, is if you can pick a note. We're going to use the C chord, and I'm just going to pick the 5th string, 3rd fret. That's the C note. And when my mind starts racing, I'm going to try to circle back to that. That means like, okay, so I'm going to breathe. Do I breathe heavy? No, just supposed to breathe like naturally. And then I'm going to pick a note. And that note recenters me. What that means is it brings me back to like this place in time, this reality, this awareness. And when I start to zone out, and if I start thinking about anything, sports, groceries, anything, I try to bring myself back again. And oftentimes I'll start rocking. I'll get into rhythm. And it reminds myself to breathe again. And the reason they say there's no wrong way to do it is because, you're just supposed to do what works for you. For me personally, I focus on the inhale and I try to stay aware. I try to stay mindful. That means like just be aware. Like, what does it feel like on this finger? What does it feel like on this finger? What does my voice sound like? What does my body feel like? What am I thinking about? Can I get back? Here I am again. So it's kind of like vague, but that's okay. Just like stay with it and try to just repeat the process while breathing. And that's the deal. That's how you meditate. You could do it without a guitar. I have a good teacher, Gary Zukav. He's not my personal friend. He's just an author, and he says his life is a meditation. He meditates throughout the day, in the car, in line, by breathing. So obviously, you can't carry a guitar with you wherever you go. Next time you're in a stressful situation, try to meditate. And honestly, there are people that they're gonna argue. They're gonna say that that's not how you meditate. Just there's no wrong way to do it. You just have to do it. Breathe. Try to be more aware. That's the deal.